Worthy of it. I salute my parents. Respect teachers and my elders. We got a seat and my people to my country and my people I pledge. Today International National News is brought to you by Sumatra from VI Topaz. National News. IITs open doors for students studying in Time 2, Time 3. International News. US first moon landing in 50 years in Geopart after critical President was news is brought to you by Ali from II Hazel. Space News. No plans to bring fuel under GST. Sports News. India great lead historic 1-2 in next Division. Thank you.
Today weather report is brought to you by Bharat from II Hazel. Weather report. Minimum temperature 31 years. Maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Children is not for you. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.
Everest.
Yes, you did the correct answer. The answer is Mount Everest. Mount Everest.
My country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of it. Proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. Varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. Worthy of it. I shall give my parents. I shall give my parents. Teachers. And all elders. Respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. India will be and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's international and national news is brought to you by K. Jaisima of Grade 6 Topaz. International news. Thousands forced from homes by quack face stress exhaustion as Japan mourns at least 161 deaths. National news. India Saudi Arabia ink Hajj agreement with over 1.75 lakhs pilgrim quota for 2024. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's state and sports news is brought to you by you Nitya Tejashwini from grade 6 Topaz. State news. Karnataka High Court judge bans all mining activity within 20 kilometers radius of KRS Dam near Mysore. Sports news. Shooting. India set for record representation at Paris Olympics after Varun Tamar, Isha Singh take quarto tally to 15. Thank you.
Today, weather report is brought to you by Rishwardhan of Grade 6 Jasper. Weather report. Maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 29 degrees Celsius. Thank you. Have a nice day. Next, my friend will continue thought of the day. This thought is brought to you by B. Madhumana Ranada of Grade 6 Topaz. Thought. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. I will repeat again. There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's word is brought to you by Ranjit from grade 6 Topaz. Word. Elevator. Meaning a device that carry people up and down inside building. Please friends after me. Elevator. 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 Thank you.
Everyone, here we are going to perform a skit.
Shakumar, we are from Apollo Hospital. Your relative's health is in critical situation. Urgently, you need to arrange a positive blood.
Okay, soon I will arrange. To whom I should call? I'll call to my friend. Hello, dear Janya, my uncle is hospitalized. Can you donate your blood?
Sorry, my friend, as my blood group is O positive, but currently I am out of station.
It's okay. I'll try somewhere else.
Hey, why are you so sad?
My uncle is hospitalized. I need O positive blood.
No need to worry. Just open the Google and type friends2support.org. In this organization, There, if you enter state, district, and which blood group you want, there it will display donors with their contact number. Then you can get it easily. See here, one donor is ready to donate.
Oh, thank you so much.
So, my dear friends, I hope you are all understood. Friends2Support.org is an organization to help the people who is in emergency situation due to blood loss. So please share this information to your friends and families. Thank you.